What is going on, everybody? Welcome back to Trading Learning 101. Today we're going to talk about UUU, a super low float stock. There was a lot of hype in this stock. I've seen a lot of newer traders talking about this stock going parabolic and having a really huge day. But then everybody's dreams just got shattered and the stock had a huge death candle. Why didn't it go? What happened? Let's talk about it. So UUU gapping up from $2 up to a high of $5 pre-market. A lot of hype going into this stock, and look at all the volume right here on the 1 minute time frame. Pretty much every single candle had 1 million in volume on average, but the stock could not break over $5 and run. What happened? What happened with this is somebody was propping up the stock. And what do I mean by propping up the stock? Somebody was absorbing all of the selling, and somebody was sitting on the bid and just kept propping up the stock. And when you see something like that, you have to tell yourself there's somebody propping up this stock, and when he gets all filled and he's out of the equation now, it's over. That stock is going to drop, and it's going to drop hard. Just look at UUU right here. Right from the open, all of these upper wicks right here, all right here, right there, and a huge one right there from 460 up to 510. All of these upper wicks, there was a big seller up there, and then just look at this baseline right here, just trending up. It kept slamming down to it, and you got to think, people are buying, people are selling, all right at this level, all right here. And if you have a big buyer right here propping up the stock, and every single candle is 1 million, this guy is loading up. Everybody's selling all their shares to him. He's got deep pockets. And then when he's gone, there's no more demand for the stock, and it's going to fall. Consider it like a trend line also. This stock very well could have went. It very well could have. But as soon as the buyer got all absorbed up and there was no more demand there, and look at it, how long it took for this stock to make its move. Eventually people are going to get tired. People are going to give up. Stock is going to exhaust itself. From 9:30 Eastern time when the stock opened up all the way up until 10:30. So for 1 hour, everybody buys in on this, riding it up, and then you have to think, everybody who's bought in, all right here, they're all putting their stops right down here. Everybody's putting their stops right here. They're all getting in, thinking it's gonna go. Everybody's putting their stops in, and then slam, takes everybody's stops out from 460, slams all the way down to 390. 70-cent drop. You're holding 1,000 shares of this. In one candle, 1 minute, you just lost $700. That's pretty nasty. With that being said, also keeping note of the float. The float is only 1.8 million, and every single candle on average is at around 1 million. So they're rotating that float every minute, and every time it pops up, it gets met into a big seller. Paying attention to details. Somebody was propping this stock up. They had deep pockets, but not deep enough. That's what happened with this stock. Pay attention, learn from this stock, and move on. If it happens again in the future, you've studied the past and you're prepared for when it happens again. I hope you guys learned from this video. If you see a lot of people hyped up on a stock, and everybody's saying it will go, it's gonna explode, you gotta remember, 90% of people fail in the stock market. So if majority of the crowd's bullish, you should be bearish. If majority of the crowd is bearish, you should be bullish. 90% of people fail. And don't pay attention to what really everybody is saying about a stock. There was a specific stock and I jumped on Twitter to see what other people were saying about it because I was thinking about trading the stock. This was like 4 years ago. So I was reading what other people were saying about the stock, seeing if they were bullish, seeing if they were bearish. And I read one comment that said, if you're on here reading about what other people are saying about a specific stock, you are looking for a reason to buy. And that really hit me and it stuck with me even till this day, and I'm sharing it all with you. If you're out here looking at what other people are saying about a particular stock, you are looking for a reason to buy. And it is very true, especially for newer people. They don't know how to read charts. They don't really have any experience under their belt, no screen time. They're noobs. And no offense to you new guys, but you just gotta bite the bullet, get that screen time under your belt, dedicate just a couple hours a day to the screen. See how these stocks move in the multiple different charts and market cycles. And doing that for a couple years, you'd start to see things happen over and over again because human nature never changes. And then after you get a couple of years under your belt and you've seen so many market cycles, so many charts, then you start to react to what you see because you've seen it happen before. I hope that makes sense. Every single video I've been trying to promote the Trading Learning 101 Discord group. I want you guys all to join this group. If you want to take day trading and trading seriously, I put a lot of hard work into this Discord. Take your trading to the next level. There's a link down in the video description below. Feel free to join. It's absolutely free. And I want to thank you all for tuning in October 30th, Friday, when I live streamed and traded live for 2 hours. When I was able to walk away with $2,000 on 2 trades, SRRK and TUP. I think going forward, I'm going to do a live stream every Friday and trade with you guys. I had a lot of fun doing that. I hope you was able to take away something from seeing me trade live and see how I view the markets and trade the markets. Again, thank you to everyone who joined up and watched it. I'll see you again next Friday. A lot of big things up and coming for Trading Learning 101. I'm taking everything to the next level. And I want you all to be there when Trading Learning 101 starts to blow up and gain more popularity. Share these videos. I much appreciate it if you share these videos. Get the word out there. This is only the beginning for Trading Learning 101. I'm passionate about what I do, and I love showing you all what I know and what I've learned in the markets as a trader. Cheers to you all. That's going to wrap it up for this one. If you enjoyed this video, hit that like button. If you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button. Join the Trading Learning 101 community where we all grow as traders and investors. And until next time, have that patience, have that discipline, and study, study, study. Later.
The most valuable commodity I know of is information.